So if you have unit like this, which is ACPRO, Gree or Mr. Cool, and when it starts you can only hear compressor running but the fan doesn't work, what you need to do, you need to remove the top cover. So you remove the screws around the cover and you need to remove this cover to get to the inside components. So when we turn on this unit from the thermostat and turn on the power, we can hear compressor running, but the fan does not run. So let's see what our inverter board tells us. Again, compressor is running right now, you can hear it, but fan is not going. So we have A1, L3, which pretty much means you need new condenser fan motor. And guess what? ACPRO got us new fan motor next day. I've installed Lennox, Bryant, Carrier, American Standard, and it would be weeks before I would get parts from another brand, but ACPRO is very good. We get part next day. So let's remove this grill. We need to remove the grill, then we remove the fan blade. This is our motor. The cable from the motor goes into the circuit board. It's a little bit tricky because you need to remove this red part before you can press on the connector to remove it. So new motor is hooked up to do a test run. Our unit is starting. You can hear compressor running and our fan is doing nothing. Here we go, same problem, A1, L3. To remove the front cover, we just need to remove 2 screws in the bottom and cover slides up. You already know we need new circuit board and it's not the condenser fan motor. How can you check your condenser fan motor, which I was lazy to do? Your condenser fan motor wiring has only 3 pins, so it has 3 windings. You just need to check resistance between the windings. So we have 34 ohms on one winding, we have 34 ohms on another one, and the third one is 34 ohms. So how can you check your motor? You check resistance of 3 windings, it should be the same, and you make sure that it spins freely. Next time I'll probably get the motor and a circuit board at the same time to save everybody's time. And again, thanks goodness for ACPRO, they had board in stock same day. It's not my first time changing inverter board, but this one actually comes with thermal paste. I believe it goes in here because the circuit board attaches to the heatsink. Don't forget to make a video which wires go where. Also wait 5-10 minutes after you unplug it to make sure that this board doesn't have any voltage left. So after you remove all the wiring, there's not a single screw to hold the board down, you just pull it up. That's our old board, and we'll need to transfer the heatsink from old board to new board. These are the screws holding the heatsink. So you remove all the screws, get your board off. First time in 15 years I have to use thermal paste for AC unit. So all wires are color coded, so no way you can mix them up. So we got a bunch of error codes, and guess what? There were no instructions how to replace it, but that's first board and that's the second board. We don't have these isolation pads on a new board. So we got another board, third time is a charm. If it's not gonna work, I have spare AC unit to replace, so we can take care of this customer today. When you replace inverter board, you have to transfer those jumpers, jump 1, jump 2, to a new board. Right, we also need to turn on thermostat. So looks like everything is working. Don't forget when you change circuit board to transfer 2 rubber pads, isolation pads, and 2 jumpers.